today's video we will discuss about Croton propagation. What are the ways in which we can propagate crotons? Crotons are an ornamental plant. Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. Today we will be seeing my Croton collection and the way to propagate them. We grow crotons for its foliage. You can see the vibrant foliage it has, and each plant is different and each leaf is different. A same plant can have different varieties of leaves. You can see here, one is green and these are purple color, and here you see the leaves as if yellow paint is sprayed upon the green leaf, and here there is another leaf which has little bit of different shape of the leaf. So here actually the leaves are little bit wrinkled also. So like that all leaves are different of a same plant, and it is very easy to care plant, and it is a good plant for beginners to grow. So today we will see the requirements of the plants for its nice growth, and first we will see the sunlight. Sunlight is very important for this plant because they will lose its colors if you keep them in a place where it is not getting enough sunlight. So sunlight is very important feature which you should give this plant when you are growing it. If you are growing in indoor, you can always grow them nearby a window where it gets enough sunlight. Without sunlight also it grow, but it will revert into its old green leaf thing. Here it was raining, so because of that it has lost some of its color, even though I have kept them out, and in summer season it will regrow all the colors. So it is not a problem for me. So and if you are in North India where you get very harsh winters and summer, in the summer time you need to keep them in the shade, and the winter time just keep them away from the place where dews are there, and very like some places even the plants will get some ola like things will come. So on that time you keep them in the shade or in a protected area where it is not in directly contact with those things. So if you do that, you can save your croton. Even though some of the leaves you may lose in winter time, once the spring comes, the plant will rejuvenate itself. So it is very easy to care plant, and the soil it likes little bit of moist soil. So you need to water them regularly in summer season, and in between you can just see the soil how it is, and it doesn't like soggy soil. Potting medium should be 50% of garden soil, 25% river sand, and 25% any of the fertilizer like vermicompost, cow dung compost, or whatever fertilizer. You can add some fungicide also in the potting medium when you are potting it. And now pest attack is not much. In case any pest attack you see, just spray neem oil. And another important thing about this plant is very poisonous to pets and kids. So you have to be very careful, since they are very colorful, children will be very attracted to it. So you just see that this plant is not is reachable for pets and kids. And now we come to the propagation point. And propagation you can do by stem cutting. See here, this is a stem cutting I have grown this plant. I will show you. Actually you can see the roots have developed. I just pour see, you can see the roots clearly. When I saw the roots are on top of the soil, I just put some soil over it. So this is a stem cutting I am growing. So the stem is not only pencil thickness we can say, but there is no rule for stem cuttings. It can be hardwood or softwood. It will grow. This cuttings you can see, not very small cuttings, and this is another cutting which I am growing. It is very big. From here I cut and brought, and so the cuttings of any thing like hardwood or softwood, it will grow, but softwood is more easy to grow because it is the growing points are there in the softwood area. But then when another point we need to discuss is, in many of the channel you will see with one leaf you can propagate croton. So here also I have kept some of the leaves in water. It has rooted. You can see clearly it has taken 15 days to root. I will just take one out and show you clearly. See this. You can see the root. This much root has come. But even though it will root, you can never get a plant from croton. So if you happen to watch a channel saying that you can get a plant from this, it is not true. So there are plants which you can grow from leaves also, like our African violet, snake plant, or patarchata, even Brahma Kamal. Those plants are different. This plant, croton plants need an axillary bud to grow, to become a plant. This leaf doesn't have any of this thing, but even though it produces leaf, you can always try to grow them. Here I have just, see, when I happen to see, but just for a experiment I have kept like potted it in a small pot, but it is not true. You will never get a plant from a leaf. It will root. Rooting is different and getting plant is different. So this is one myth I want to tell you. Many of the channel may tell you this is from a leaf you can just propagate many plants of croton. It is not true, because it need an axillary bud to grow, and the leaf doesn't have that axillary bud. So you might have seen some of the nurseries selling Hoya curry leaves. That also they do. It will be sitting there for more than 2 years and then it will perish. So the same case with croton also. So you need to, but in Dracaena you can grow. Some of the Dracaena you can grow from leaves also, but not from croton. Croton propagation is only by cutting, and of course they flower also from the seeds also you can make, but people the easiest way is to grow from cutting. So that is the most easily available option for you to grow. So only I just wanted to show this water propagation of Croton is not a good idea if you really want to propagate. So, this is all about our Croton plant. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.